저거 기억도 Vawiin grandmaster of Mizo 저거 nasat taka.
I'd like to request you to have a speech.
이렇게 술 참가진을 만나게 돼서 정말 반갑습니다.
This is so privileged to meet the Chief Minister.
네, 인도는 제가 두 번째 왔는데
This is the second time visiting
이번에
India.
미조람에 와서
This is for the
환영해 주시고 이게 저를 위해서
Thank you so much for your welcome. This is such a privilege.
이번에 온 목적은
This
이제
is not the start.
인도가 이제 하계 올림픽을 유치하기 위해서 2023년
We came to know the sports conclave, the prepare to the.
이란으로 이번에 행사가 준비된 걸로 알고 있는데
It's a really fantastic.
네, 우선은 우리 한국에서 대한민국에서도 888 올림픽을 개최한 후로서 굉장히
Even South Korea, we prepared the Olympic and.
세계적으로 위상이 높아졌습니다.
That throughout the event, our Korea recognition is very high.
인도에도 올림픽 유치되어서
We hope
공격도 신장하고
India
모든
should
주민들이
host
마음이
the
하나가 돼서
Olympic
나라가 성장을
so that
합니다.
this country can enhance and then establish such a high level.
그리고 태권도 이제 구단으로서 이제
As a 9단 black belt,
세미나를 하기 위해서 이렇게 왔는데
I love to seminar.
태권도를 위해서 이렇게 헌신하는 많은 지도자들이
I served so many
감동을 받았습니다.
dedicated for Taekwondo and I surprised and perplexed.
인도의 올림픽을 유치한 우리 태권도 지도자들의 역할이 굉장히 크다고 생각합니다.
And to hosting the Olympic in India, even we need all Taekwondo officer members inquire, cooperate.
태권도 정신으로 단결된 마음으로 꼭
If
올림픽을
we
유치하는
harmonize the spirit of the together,
그래 한 가지 제가 부탁드리고 싶은
one thing I request.
인도 내에 태권도 협회가 좀 난립이 돼서 서로 이렇게
As you know,
경쟁하는데
now there are a few Taekwondo names, state
제가
Taekwondo.
하나로
But
뭉쳐서
we are the affiliation of the government of India as well as
인도의 많은
IOA, Indian Olympic Association. MATA even recommended by under the TFI and then under the IOA.
태권도 정신을 통해서 교육이 되어져서 많은 젊은 학생들이 성장해서 가변 인격체가 돼서 나라 발전에 큰 도움이
Through the
됐습니다.
Taekwondo, we hope many other major youngsters to enhance their personality to establish wonderful.
저는 한국에서 국기원에서 또 한국에서 인도의 태권도 발전에서 최선을 다해서 돕도록 하겠습니다.
I promise you, I'll try to best effort for Mizo and then all India to elaborate performing and the best things.
이번에 인도 여기 될 때 너무 급하게 일정이 잡히다 보니까
Actually, I was traveling to the United States and then soon after we came
병의
back.
반증이나 이런 것들이 조금 위에 오타도 많이 나고
I'm so sorry, there is some mistake.
제대로 된 공부를 아주 이렇게
But
그렇게
nevertheless, definitely we will surely prepare and will honor you.
여기서 순수 장관님과 또 많은 지도 이렇게 많이 해서 정말로 영광입니다.
This is great honor and privilege to meet you. And we would like to present to our beloved Chief Minister, Mizo.
귀하께서는 평소 태권도 발전 및 문화 창달을 위해 큰 도움을 주셨으므로 이 감사장을 드립니다.
The letter of the appreciation in recognition of your outstanding contribution and the dedicated service to the development of the Taekwondo and its culture. And Kukkiwon, President of Kukkiwon, Lee Dong-seok. And there is
프로 태권도 단증 위 사람은 본연맹 규정의 심사 규정이고 정의 승단하였기에 이에 공인 7단을 수여함. 세계 프로 태권도 본부연맹.
This is to certify that above named person has been qualified for the 7단 black belt in accordance with the Federation of Korea, WTTF. We are present to 7단 black belt. to present our traditional ginseng, which is one of the best in the world, and they live longer and stronger. Actually, Master King has a black belt, and if he won, we can bring it tomorrow while we are in here.
Apart from this,
It's a great moment.
예.
We are tied to Chief Minister, the black belt, the 7 done. In India, we never give it more than this. We are getting first. Highest ever. Congratulations. Your photos.
Foto di ba?
Got photo of mine now. 지금 이건 국사. 준비. 저녁 레이.
A distinguished professional person like him, who have been 3-time champion of the world, and the rest of friends. It has never been in my imagination that one day I will be having this black belt and up to 7 dan.
Yes.
7 dan is the highest in India so far. I'm really very glad for this. In fact, I don't deserve, but this is because not because of me, but because of the Mizo boys and girls and the Mata leaders who have been doing this sport for such a long time, and Mizoram has become famous to some extent, and because of your contribution, I've been given this honor, and I am very grateful to all of you. And you know, I'll tell you one real life story of mine. Well, I was posted in Goa, in the Goa police. The Bruce Lee and his film was so popular in those days. In every nook and corner of India, and even at the national, international level. Then, when I was posted in Goa, you know, people think that we look more or less alike to each other, and they thought that I'm just like Bruce Lee. So the news spread all over Goa that RSP was black belt. And it's so effective for me to manage the crowds and mobs in those days. So even now, one must take care that this certificate should not be proof. And by showing this card, people should be satisfied. I'm very